Simplicity is the most complex thing in the 21st century. One of the biggest challenges one hears about the EMR systems is the fact that it takes the medical professional more time to enter patient information, taking vital time away from actual patient care. As the industry changes, patients are looking for more convenient healthcare, and they want more transparency when it comes to cost. Streaming services are growing. Epic Systems should look to develop a strategic partnership with well-known brand Nintendo, who already has penetrated the at-home virtual reality market. Patients will be able to utilize the Epic Nintendo streaming application and access physical therapy and wellness games that accelerate their treatment. The virtual reality will know when a user is stretching correctly and document progress, which then will be sent to the patient's MD and our physical therapist. The therapies will be covered by insurance, and Epic Nintendo will be paid a premium from managed care companies. In fact, insurance companies will appreciate this technology twofold because patient compliance is challenging, and it is a way to document the step therapies should the physical therapy, for instance, not be sufficient and a more aggressive therapy were to be needed. The company will patent the use of virtual reality for medical treatment so that its competitors cannot get into the space for a number of years. This strategy will provide Epic with the competitive advantage it needs because it will be the only system with the capability to continuously provide evolving patient treatments via Epic's data warehouse and predictive analytic tools. This will leave its competition vulnerable enough to consider selling its rights to Epic Nintendo so that they too could benefit from the #1 therapy streaming application. Just as online banking made life more convenient for consumers and freed up branch staff from complex queries, online healthcare could mean fewer people need to come to hospitals to be cared for by them. Last year, half of consultations offered by Kaiser, an integrated American healthcare firm that runs many hospitals, were virtual, with medical professionals communicating with patients by phone, email, or video conference. Epic can take it one step further and develop at-home test kits that attach to smart devices. This capsule would scan a patient's saliva, urine, blood, sperm, et al., and the medical technician would evaluate the results, consult the healthcare professional, and within an hour or so, a prescription could be delivered to the home or office of that patient, sending notifications to the patient throughout each step of the process. Additionally, patients can be given access to the same sights and sounds as their doctors, for example, by streaming the sound of a stethoscope to a headset or the view from an otoscope to a screen. These patient records, including test results, can be connected to the Epic system and MyChart, a site and app through which patients can also contact their physician. In future, rather than checking patients' vital signs only at intervals or parking ICU nurses next to beds, live data streams from medical machines and wearable devices could flow straight to such command centers and into Epic automatically, where the system could screen it for anything worth bringing to the attention of medical staff. Doctors in the command center or even in their own homes could be at patients' bedsides virtually with a swipe of the touchscreen. All of this would not only make the hospital safer and more efficient, but would also give medical staff a more complete record of patients' progress. In addition, augmented reality glasses, lenses that display holographic images while still allowing you to interact with the real world, can be programmed to display real-time information. This can be a great assistance in creating more accuracy in countless medical situations.